Hello and good morning, dear English learners. Today we're going to talk about listening, the power of listening, and why it's so important to listen every day. I will tell you 4 important benefits of listening, 4 reasons why listening is the best, why listening will make your English completely different. So if you're at home, put on your headphones and go for a walk with me. Let's go for a walk and we'll talk about the reasons why you should listen every single day. Number 1, listening is a very easy activity. It's a very easy practice. You don't really need a lot of things to listen. All you need is a pair of headphones and your phone. And you can start listening to English lessons. It's not like reading where you have to sit down and focus on a textbook. It's not like writing where you have to sit down and focus on the writing, think about the grammar. For listening, you don't need to think too much. If you are listening while walking, it doesn't take much effort to listen. It's a very effortless activity, but it happens to be one of the best ways to improve your English. This is reason number 2. Listening is one of the best ways to improve your English, and listening always comes first. Like right now, maybe you understand 70-80% of what I am saying, but you cannot speak like me, and that's okay, that's normal, because listening always comes first. Speaking comes next. Think about children. How do children learn languages? They listen to their teachers, they listen to their parents, they listen to their friends, listening, and soon they start speaking. And this is how it works for you and me. Reason number 3, listening makes you healthy. Listening can make you a healthy person. Just like right now, walking is an exercise, and while you're walking, you can listen. While you're running, you can listen to a podcast, a YouTube video. While you're biking or you are at the gym working out, you can listen and practice your English. And by the way, that is one of the best times to practice listening, to practice your English, because when you're walking, when you're running, when you're exercising, your brain is the most active. There's a lot of brain activity, and because of this, you can learn much more quickly. Reason number 4, listening saves you time. Today, people are very, very busy with work, with life, with family, with school, and you don't have a lot of time to spend learning English. You don't have 6 hours a day to go to a school and take classes if you are an adult. If you are a mother or father, or you are going to college, you don't have a lot of time to do this. But you can listen while going to school. You can listen while going to work. You can listen while driving. Just like right now, you can listen while walking. Can you tell me in the comments what you are doing right now? Because I'm pretty sure that you're listening to this and you're doing something else. So it saves you a lot of time. You can make your driving time your learning time. You can make your walking time your learning time. You can listen while cooking. You can listen during many other activities, and this saves you a lot of time. When you're going to work in the morning, maybe you have 30 minutes, you have a 30-minute drive to get to work. That's 30 minutes of listening. And imagine if you do this every single day, in 6 months, in 1 year, your English will be completely different. And personally, I learned English through listening. I used to listen while going to work. I used to go for a walk in the evening or the morning, and I would put on my MP3 player and start listening to English podcasts. One of them was Effortless English podcast by Hoge that every learner should listen to. He's amazing. So I used to listen to Effortless English podcast. I used to listen to ESL podcast. I would take advantage while I was doing something else, like walking, running, going to work, and this will help you improve your English very, very quickly. Listening has always been a part of my learning routine. I love listening. I listen to podcasts while walking, I listen to audiobooks while driving, and I've completed so many audiobooks, lectures, podcast series while driving, while doing other things that I could not do if I had to read it. So it's an excellent way to practice, and it saves you a lot of time. If you listen every day, your English will be completely different. Today's video, we talked about 4 reasons why listening is the best. 1, listening is very easy. You can do it anytime. You can do it while walking, running, biking, doing other things. 2, listening is one of the best ways that a person can learn a language, and this is how children learn languages. Number 3, listening can make you healthy. And number 4, listening saves you time. I hope that you liked today's video, and if you want me to make more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.